Gravando.
So tell me, what do you think about this book?
Well, actually, it's a great book, to be honest with you, and I'm really impressed as well. I can't read it all right now, as well, what I heard about it.
But you heard the presentation?
Yes, it was amazing, to be honest with you. This is the revolution, this is the world future. Everybody is moving towards this, even today or tomorrow. This is going to be the future. And absolutely, I'm amazed for it, and I'm looking forward.
What is the new idea or the most important idea?
To be honest with you, I really like people. I'm a people person. So what is the best thing I really like? What they are thinking about the charity and thinking about the people to help, and about the atmosphere as well, the ecosystem, and everything. Literally, when you talk about the gold coin, and from start to bottom, everything is amazing. However, I like the most, if you say, is echo, which is to save the world.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.